Have you ever wondered about the rich history of Thailand? Let's delve into the past, where the story of Thailand begins. Long before the formation of the country as we know it today, early civilizations thrived in the region. The Ban Chiang culture, dating back to 3600 BC, left behind intriguing red pottery and bronze artifacts that tell tales of a sophisticated society. Fast forward to the 13th century, a significant era emerged, marked by the formation of the Kingdom of Sukhothai. The dawn of happiness, as Sukhothai translates to, was a period of prosperity and development. It was here that Thais began to establish their unique identity, distinct from their Khmer and Mon neighbors. As the flame of Sukhothai flickered out, the Ayutthaya kingdom rose, casting a long shadow over the region from the 14th to the 18th century. Named after Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Rama in Indian epic Ramayana, Ayutthaya was a beacon of trade and culture. Its strategic location attracted merchants from far and wide, weaving a rich tapestry of cultural exchange and growth. But every empire has its sunset. Ayutthaya fell to Burmese invasion, leaving behind majestic ruins that whisper tales of its former glory. From these ashes, the Thonburi kingdom rose, and later, the Chakri dynasty took the helm, steering the nation into the modern era. Under the Chakri dynasty, Thailand, known then as Siam, underwent significant transformations. The reign of King Rama V saw the abolition of slavery, while King Rama VI introduced compulsory education. The most significant change, perhaps, was the transition from an absolute monarchy to a constitutional one during the reign of King Rama VII. Today, the Chakri dynasty continues to reign, with King Maha Vajiralongkorn, or Rama X, at the helm. The dynasty's legacy is deeply etched in the nation's fabric, with the grandeur of Bangkok's palaces and temples bearing testimony to its enduring influence. From the ruins of Ayutthaya to the grandeur of Bangkok, Thailand's history is indeed a rich tapestry. It's a story of resilience, of rise and fall, of culture and tradition that continues to shape the land of smiles. Delve into the vibrant culture of Thailand, a blend of Indian, Chinese, and Mon influences. The heartbeat of Thai culture is Buddhism, with its teachings shaping the country's ethics, arts, and daily life. Golden temples and majestic Buddha statues are emblematic of this spiritual devotion. Traditional Thai arts and crafts are a testament to the nation's rich heritage. The intricate designs of Thai silk, the graceful movements of Thai classical dance, and the rhythmic beats of Muay Thai boxing each tell a story of the nation's past and present. Thai cuisine, with its tantalizing blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, is a feast for the senses. Street food stalls, floating markets, and high-end restaurants all contribute to the country's gastronomic reputation. The Thai calendar is dotted with vibrant festivals, each one a riot of color, music, and tradition. Songkran, Loi Krathong, and the Vegetarian Festival are just a few examples. At its heart, the culture of Thailand is a celebration of life and spirituality. Thailand boasts some of the most stunning and diverse cities in the world. Let's embark on a quick journey through the top 10. First stop, the pulsating heart of Thailand, Bangkok, a city of contrasts, where skyscrapers stand tall amidst ancient temples. Next, we have Chiang Mai, the mountainous city in the north, known for its stunning temples and vibrant night bazaars. Moving south, we reach the sun-kissed beaches of Phuket, a paradise for water sports enthusiasts. Then there's Pattaya, a city known for its lively nightlife and amusement parks. We also have Hua Hin, a royal city with pristine beaches, and Ayutthaya, a city steeped in history with its UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sukhothai, another historical city, is known for its ancient ruins. Let's not forget Krabi, with its beautiful limestone cliffs, and Pai, a tranquil city in the mountains. Last but not least, we have Kanchanaburi, a city rich in World War II history. Each city in Thailand offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Language is a key to understanding any culture. In Thailand, the linguistic landscape is as diverse as its geography. The primary language is Thai, a tonal language spoken by the majority. However, the nation's linguistic tapestry doesn't end there. Regional dialects such as Southern Thai, Northern Thai, and Northeastern Thai, each with its own unique tones and vocabulary, add to this rich diversity. Minority languages also exist, including Malay, Hmong, and various hill tribe languages. Language in Thailand is a testament to the country's rich cultural diversity. Thailand is a country full of surprises. Here are 10 fascinating facts you might not know. First, did you know that Thailand is the world's largest exporter of rice? Yes, indeed, it's a staple food for the Thai people. Second, unlike many countries, Thailand was never colonized, maintaining its rich history and culture intact. Third, Thailand is home to the world's smallest mammal, the bumblebee bat. Fourth, the country is also a habitat for the largest fish, the whale shark. Fifth, the Thai New Year, known as Songkran, is celebrated with a massive nationwide water fight. Sixth, the Thai language has 5 tones, which can change the meaning of a word. Seventh, the King's Anthem is played before every movie in cinemas. Eighth, it's considered disrespectful to touch someone's head in Thailand. Ninth, the Thai greeting, the Y, is a sign of respect. And 10th, the Thai people revere their monarchy with utmost devotion. These facts offer just a glimpse of the fascinating world that is Thailand. Thailand's growing economy presents numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs. A great place to start is the tourism industry. Establishing a boutique hotel or a unique travel agency can certainly tap into the country's ever-growing influx of tourists. Then, there's the food industry. Thai cuisine is loved worldwide, so why not launch a cooking school or a trendy restaurant showcasing local flavors? Digital marketing is another hot sector. As Thai businesses go digital, they need help with online advertising, SEO, and social media strategies. Wellness is also big in Thailand. From yoga retreats to natural skincare brands, the opportunities are endless. Consider also starting an export business. Thai silk, handicrafts, and organic produce are in demand internationally. Lastly, the teaching industry is always looking for foreign language teachers, particularly in English. With the right idea and approach, Thailand can be the perfect place to start a business. Considering a move to Thailand, here's what you need to know. Thailand, often referred to as the land of smiles, offers a cost of living that is significantly lower than many Western countries. You can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank, whether you're in a bustling city like Bangkok or a tranquil locale like Chiang Mai. However, every coin has 2 sides. The language barrier can be a challenge, and adjusting to a different climate might take time. There's also the need to navigate through a unique set of customs and traditions. When it comes to choosing where to live, it ultimately depends on your personal preferences. If you're a fan of vibrant nightlife and fast-paced living, Bangkok might be your cup of tea. If you prefer a more laid-back vibe with access to nature, then Chiang Mai or Phuket could be your haven. Living in Thailand can be an enriching experience, filled with adventure and discovery. Thailand is not just about history and culture. It also has a lighter side. Here are some funny facts about Thailand. Did you know that Thailand takes beauty pageants to a whole new level? They even have a competition for the most beautiful elephant. And let's not forget their unusual laws. For example, it's illegal to step on Thai currency because it bears the king's image. And leaving your house without underwear? That's a big no-no. These funny facts add to the charm and uniqueness of Thailand. Thailand is an increasingly popular destination for expats, and for good reason. Let's dive into the top 10 advantages of living in this Southeast Asian paradise. Firstly, the cost of living is surprisingly affordable. From rent and groceries to dining and entertainment, your money goes much further here than in many Western countries. Secondly, the Thai people are famously friendly and welcoming. Known as the Land of Smiles, the local hospitality is a major draw for many expats. Thirdly, the stunning natural beauty of Thailand is a sight to behold. With its lush jungles, pristine beaches, and captivating wildlife, it's a haven for nature lovers. Furthermore, Thailand is renowned for its delicious and diverse cuisine, offers a slow-paced and relaxed lifestyle, has a warm tropical climate, provides excellent healthcare, and boasts a rich cultural heritage that's steeped in tradition. Plus, with an expanding expat community, it's easy to make new friends and connections. The advantages of living in Thailand are as diverse as the country itself. While Thailand is generally safe, it's important to be aware of potential dangers. Traffic accidents, particularly involving motorcycles, are unfortunately common. Another issue to keep in mind is scams, which can range from overpriced tuk-tuk rides to fake gem stores. Health risks, such as dengue fever and foodborne illnesses, are also worth considering. But don't let these dangers deter you. With a little caution and common sense, you can safely enjoy all that Thailand has to offer. We've taken a whirlwind tour of Thailand, from its rich history to its vibrant culture and beyond. We've explored thriving cities, dived into the linguistic diversity, and shared fascinating facts about this intriguing country. We've discussed potential businesses to start, the perks of living in Thailand, and even touched on the lighter, humorous side of Thai life. But remember, every place has its dangers, and Thailand is no exception. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and stay connected for more videos. Thank you for watching.